Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy more lands within the Farmville 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Farmville 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, proceed forward with completing the basic tutorial levels, and you will gain access to the entire game menu. Now, if you wish to buy more lands within the game, then you will need to reach various different levels. The level that you will need to reach will depend upon how far the land is from your farm. So check your quests and complete them, and once you reach enough level, you will be able to buy the respective land. You can check your current level, which is displayed underneath the star at the top section of the screen. Once you have reached the enough level, you can simply tap on the dollar icon and you can proceed with using your in-game currency in order to buy this land. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy more lands within the Farmville 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.